Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you the easiest way to learn Chinese. Chinese people have a system called Pinyin system, and it's using Roman alphabets to help you pronounce the characters. Without this system, you will not be able to memorize a lot of the characters. I think you can, but this will help you a lot. So they have 21 initials, 38 finals. I could only identify 36 of them that are mostly used. Here are 20 consonant letters. Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, qi, xi, zi, ci, si, zhi, chi, shi, ri, yi, wu. Let's say this again. So you group them together like this so that you can memorize them faster. Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, qi, xi, zi, ci, si, zhi, chi, shi, ri, yi, wu. Okay, so if you group them like this, you will be able to memorize them quicker. There are 6 single vowels, and these are called 单韵母. 单韵母, 6 single vowels. A, O, E, I, U, Yu. Okay, let's say it again. A, O, E, I, U, Yu. Okay, all right, so these are the 单韵母 single vowels. In Chinese, there are only 4 tones and 1 neutral tone. So the first tone is a high tone. And it's ah, ah. Second tone, it's rising tone. So ah, ah. Third tone goes down and then rises just a little bit. So it goes like this, ah, ah. And then the fourth tone is ah, ah. So it's from the top down, falling tone. So ah, 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 ah. Okay, the tones again. Ah, 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 ah. All right, so these are the 4 tones. And then moving on to the 复韵母, and these are the double vowels. I, A, we, ao, o, u, ye, yue. Okay, so let's pronounce the 复韵母 once again. I, A, we, ao, o, u, ye, yue. Okay, so if you group them like this, it will really help you understand and be able to memorize them quickly. And then the next one is a special one, so it's R, And this one is the hua, and you only use this one at the end of the word for some of the words like na. You can say nar. In a certain part of China, they'll pronounce that way, but some people will just say na, and then some people they will pronounce nar. Okay, so that's the hua. 特殊用母 R. Okay. So the next group is the 前鼻韵. This group you pronounce using the front of your nasal. So an, ing, un. Okay, so it's front nasal sound. An, ing, un. Okay, and then the next group is the one that uses the back nasal. So the back nasal sound, it's called 后鼻韵. So ing, ong. Okay, one more time. Ing, ong. And you can hear the sound comes from like the back of the nasal. Okay, so the rest of the finals are ya, yang, yang, yao, yong, wa, wai, wang, wang, wei, wo, yuan, yun. Okay, one more time. Let's repeat the rest of the finals. Ya, yang, yang, yao, yong, wa, wai, wang, wang, wei, wo, yuan, yun. Okay. All right, so let's do a combined of the finals and the single vowels to make a word so that you understand what it is, and the tones, and then you should be able to like know how we combine them and how they work. So ma is M-A with the high tone. Ma, and that means mom. You can say mama, so it's mother. It's mom. Mama. Mama. Papa means dad. Papa, father. Dad. Qi, qi, that's the number 7. Chi, chi, that's eat. Ge, 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 that is older brother. Wu, o, wo, that means me or I. Ne, I, with the third tone. Ni, that means you. Okay, so how to use this? The formula is the consonant comes first, and then the vowels come second, which they call it the final. So the vowels or all the other finals, they come second. And it's only a group like that with the tones to help you be able to pronounce the words. So you can see that in further lessons, but today let's stop here and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for learning. Bye.